Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Zulfikri bin Razali. For IDP project BEE 40803, our title for our group EG5 is Smart Shower System with Intelligent Water Usage Monitoring and Tariff-Based Control. Okay, so our supervisor is Dr. Muhammad Najib bin Ridwan. Okay, so let me introduce our group member. So first one is Muhammad Iqbal bin Fazil. Second one is me, Muhammad Zulfikri bin Razali. Number three, Tiu Wen Yu. Number four, Lim Kin An. And number five, Muhammad Faiz Farhan bin Wahizam. So for the introduction, uh, our group, the theme is energy. So energy that we understand is using less energy to optimize resources, ensure sustainable energy use, and maximize the performance. Okay, so what the example for manual domestic usage contributes to waste water and energy. So first example, we know that overall we leave water running when brush teeth and shampoo, unmonitored shower for a long time, and tap is not closed tightly after shower and water drips happen. Okay, so what is the problem with the manual technique? So first is difficulty in monitoring real time overuse and waste of water, and we cannot identify the amount of water used every day, and there is no indicator for remind the amount of water used. Okay, so why it is necessary to have our method? Because our method has a real-time monitor to track water usage using IoT, which is Blink apps. Okay, and limit water flow and preventing water losses, and we can save money and energy. Okay, so the advantages of our method is optimize unnecessary water use. Okay, so we get the indicator on smartphone, and lastly we can monitor the water usage, and of course we can save money and also the energy.
Hello everyone, my name is Tio Wen Yu. Now I'm going to present about the problem statement. So our first problem statement is the water management in household utility should be controlled, especially the water usage in the bathroom. Next, the shower system without intelligent control and feedback mechanism will cause water use wastage. Besides that, the users are unable to control their water consumption effectively by using the shower system without the real-time monitoring, automate regulation based on user presence, and personalized usage limits for users. Lastly, the hidden broken pipe under the ground or in the concrete wall will cause unwanted water flow. The objective for this project is to automate water flow based on the presence of a person using ultrasonic sensors and applying effective control technique to ensure minimal water waste. Our second objective is to control the water usage by having the real-time monitoring of water consumption through sensors, integrate with an ESP32 module, and build the visual feedback through indicator lights. Our third objective is to avoid the unwanted water usage caused by the hidden broken pipe, such as the pipe under the ground, and in the concrete wall.
Okay, for step analysis, social. Okay, user who care about the environment and drawn to shower heads that track energy and water consumption as they grow more conscious of sustainable and eco-friendly. By enable consumer to keep updated on the quality of the water, it might also encourage improved hygiene. So the technological real-time monitoring of water flow and energy consumption will be made possible by IoT sensor, which may also let customer set restriction and get usage notification. For economic, the pricing may be impacted by the water tariff of each state in Malaysia. For example, in Johor, the minimum charge is RM7 for an individual meter. For environmental, nowadays, the issue can make water treatment more costly and difficult, particularly particularly as the freshwater supply becomes more variable with climate change. To manage this impact, Malaysia has been investing in water management infrastructure, such as rainwater harvesting system and exploring policy for sustainable water use. However, more comprehensive planning and investment are needed to fully adapt. Lastly is political. Regulation regarding water use, energy efficiency, and IoT devices must all be followed by the product. Pricing may be impacted by import-export taxes on eco-friendly goods and technological devices, particularly in global marketplace.
Hello everyone, my name is Lim Tian An with my metric number DE20184, and today I'm going to present for the NABC and cost analysis. First is why do we think people need our product? So people often complain about their water bills was being very expensive, very costly. Little that they know that it was actually caused by the unnecessary water usage, where some people was being very careless and forgot to turn off the water tap or the shower, causing the water to leak. Or maybe there was a water leaking underground at their home and they didn't even detect it. Other than that, we think that people lack of a convenient way to monitor their water usage, where we know that the water bills came in monthly and it is not a practical way to go outside the home and check the water meter regularly. So to approach this issue, our group proposed using an automatic shower system, which using the ultrasonic and also solenoid valve to detect the user and control the water pipe, which shut off and turn on the water pipe using the solenoid valve. The second is using an IoT-based water metering system, which using a flow meter to measure the water usage or the volume of the water and display it on a IoT apps, which is Blink, allowing the user to monitor their daily water usage or even real-time monitoring water usage. And the last one is water usage limit, where the user is allowed to set their own reference or their own limit for the water volume that they plan to control their water usage. The tables here shows all for benefits. There are actually multiple benefits of our product. Where the first one includes water conservation, where people for DC adapter don't need for 12-volt solenoid valve, concerned about their as a microcontroller, to close the water tap light or water shower, one water flow sensor, also cost effective water volume by saving PVC pipes and also the shower head wasting of water. We can save the cost for the water bills, and also convenience, where around 100 now for the one monitor their water usage, daily water usage or real-time water usage anywhere, anytime at their home. And the last one is actually customization, where people can set their own limit to control based on their numbers of family members. And the last one is competition. So competition, we have actually a lot of competitors, where we heard of smart meter, smart water tap, smart home water devices. But what set our product apart from this is that our product offers all of the advantage inside this system available product or by the other competitors, where we can measure the volume, control it using the Blink app, set the water limit, and also the automatic system by using a ultrasonic and also a solenoid valve. Next is the cost analysis, where the table here shows all the items that will be used for our product. Includes the ultrasonic sensor, 12-volt DC adapter for 12-volt solenoid valve, 2 ESP32 as the microcontroller, 3 LED as the indicator light, 1 water flow sensor to measure the water volume, and PVC pipes, and also the shower head to build the shower system. So in the end, the estimation cost is around 141 ringgit 70 cent in total. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. Today I'm going to present to you about the functionality of our project. It is a smart shower system that we designed to help users efficiently manage their water consumption reduce wastage and stay within their budget. And this system use real water monitoring and personalized control and smart feature to ensure the water usage is both sustainable and cost effective. And let's take a closer look at how it works. First, the water flow sensor is at the core of our system monitoring capabilities. It continuously tracks how much water is being used during each shower season, and this data allow the system to measure real data consumption, ensure that no water goes unnoticed, and the sensor feeds this data directly to the system, allowing us to take intermediate action if the water usage reach a specific threshold. And the key functionality for this water flow monitoring is by tracking water usage, the system can make intelligent decisions based on the data, such as alerting the user or others alert. Next is Blink app integration. Now, user can control and monitor all of this via the Blink app, and the app offer a convenient way to set a personalized water usage limit in RM and defining a budget for water consumption. And also, this Blink app has view real-time water usage data as the shower progresses and receive alert when the user is approaching 50% or 100% of their set water limit. With the app, user have full control over their showering experience, ensure that they stay within their budget and reduce water wastage. And key functionality for this app is the app acts as the main interface for controlling settings and monitoring water use consumption remotely.
Okay, next I'm going to doing a demonstration for our product, which is called Smart Shower System. So according to the first objective for this project, we are going to minimize the water usage during the shower. So we apply the ultrasonic sensor on the shower system, as you can see in the screen. And the ultrasonic sensor will detect the area under the shower. When the shower user enters the ultrasonic detection area, it will trigger the electric solenoid valve to open and allow the water flow. Now we can see the video how it working. So as you can see, when the ultrasonic is detect the object under the shower head, it will trigger the valve to allow the water flow, and the water will come out from the shower head.
Other than that, our system also have LED indicator for alert. In addition to app-based notification, the system use LED indicator to give visual feedback on water usage. And yellow LED indicate that 50% of the user set water usage limit has been reached, and red LED indicate that 100% of the user limit has been reached, and signaling that no more water should be used unless adjusted. And the visual alert ensures the user can quickly check their water consumption without even opening the app, and make it easy to monitor water usage at a glance. And the key functionality for this LED indicator is the LED provide a clear intermediate feedback and keeping user informed in real time. Other than that, to further enhance the system intelligence, we use ESP-Now communication to synchronize the indicator light across multiple showers. And if one shower hit the 50% or 100% water usage threshold, it sends this data to other showers in the system, ensuring that all shower display the same indicator status. In this feature, ensure that all users in the household are on the same page regarding water usage, whether they are in the bedroom or not. For example, if one shower is at 100% usage, all the other shower will indicate the same, preventing overconsumption across multiple users.
Okay, next, my name is Muhammad Faiz Farhan Meru Haizam and my metric number is DE220084. So now I will present about the outcomes and results. For our system successfully provides clear visual feedbacks, means we use the indicator light, yellow and red, so the system can notify the user about the water usage. For the next is automates water flow. For the automates water flow, we use the ultra sensor, and the ultra sensor can detect the user, and water flow can automate on and off. Okay, the lastly is tracks real-time usage, means user can monitor the water usage every day, and also user can set the limit of the water usage. This not only reduce unnecessary water wastage but also encourage meaningful usage. For the future, looking ahead, we plan to integrate temperature sensor, solar power and machine learning to further enhance efficiency and personalizations. That's all from me.